Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spela Hernandez. I'm a founder of Spalina Skincare and also a licensed esthetician of 20 years. Today I want to talk to you about our new item that we added to the collection of amazing Spalina products, and that is our Summer Brightening Kit. Summer Brightening Kit comes in a little toiletry bag, has instructions how to use it, and the items that are in the kit are brand new to Spalina. The only old product that's been incorporated in this kit is the Lipid Refresh Toner that you probably already are familiar with. But if not, I will go over and let you know what we have in this Summer Brightening Kit. The reason why it's brightening is because all the items in the kit are supercharged with antioxidants, and it will prevent you from collecting more melanin and keep your skin bright, supple, and not pigmented. So the first thing that we have in our kit would be the Brightening Vitamin C Cleanser. This is a brand new cleanser to Spalina. It is supercharged with glutathione and vitamin C. It's a gentle cleanser that will cleanse your skin and also prepare your skin for the other steps that are involved in this kit. Has glutathione, has some gold for extended release. It has a nice little citrus scent, so it's really nice for the summer months. So the first thing you do, you wash your face with the vitamin C cleanser. The second thing would be you always wanna apply toner after each cleanse, because you wanna balance the pH level of your skin with the Lipid Refresh Toner. This is our bestseller. It's been around for many years. It's full of lipids, super hydrating. It smells great. You just tilt your head back and you do a couple spritzes, and that sets the skin's environment for the next steps that are coming. Then the amazing new thing that is in this kit is our vitamin C and gold brightening mask. So this is an amazing hydrating mask that has, same as the cleanser, lots of glutathione and gold for extended release. It's an antioxidant, superpower antioxidant, and it leaves the skin super hydrated and supple, and it also inhibits the pigmentation. That's why it's perfect for the summer months. Summer months are usually the time when we collect the most pigmentation just from the heat and sun exposure. It's also the time when the skin becomes more dry, because if we don't stay on top of our exfoliation, we build up the dead skin cells that then prevent us from better absorption of the products. So if you have the Cran Glow at home, you can incorporate the Cran Glow before doing the actual vitamin C mask for better results. And the last but not least is this amazing new product called the Microbiome Balancing Treatment Cream. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer slash jelly type of a substance that prevents from any kind of inflammation, breakouts. It's super lightweight, but at the same time it gives you this beautiful glow that just the whole day you look amazing. But the point of this is that it really balances your microbiome. Yeah, you might be surprised that the skin has microbiome, but yes, it does. So the main point of this treatment is that it supports the skin's barrier, it calms, it hydrates, and it feels amazing. And the reason that I wanted to have it in this kit is because summertime, we want to always use something that's a bit lighter so we don't feel like there's too much stuff on our face. So this is a very nice cream that is incorporated in this kit. I have a feeling that this is going to be something that is going to become our regular serum at some point, but for now it's in this amazing kit, And the kits are limited, the quantities are limited, so if this is something that interests you, go ahead and order it. I will put the link below so you can get yours before the full summer starts and you can start working on your skin. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the videos that are coming up. Share with friends, family, whoever is interested to learn more about skincare.